What if I told you that Claude can design content for you fully automated in less than a minute? And the exact same content helped me reach 2 million people in the last 30 days and grow close to 1,000 followers. Everything done by AI. And in this video, I will show you the exact prompts that you can use in order to grow followers with content designed fully from Claude. And this piece of content is just one example of what Claude is possible to do for you. In order for Claude to create such a content, first and foremost, you need to install Claude in your computer. Then the second step is to go into projects and create a new project called Instagram thread post. So you can name this Instagram threads. And the most important part of this entire thing is the instructions itself, because if you don't give the right instructions to Claude, it will never be able to create content for you. And if you actually want to get the exact same instructions so you can copy paste them into Claude, you can click on the description in this link where you can find this exact prompt. So what you do is you copy the prompt itself and you paste this into the instructions. So I'll just name this IG thread test, and then you just click on create. Then you have the project itself. The first thing that you have to do is just to type get started. And then Claude is actually going to ask you a few things about your brand. It is going to ask you about your branding colors, about the names that you want Claude to include in the post. And from there, you have everything. Claude is going to create the content, even give you the ideas. I'm just going to give you a live example right now of what Claude is possible to do based on some previous conversations that I have. Let's say I want this post to be created as a thread post. So I just give it to Claude, run it, and then Claude is going to work on creating this piece of content. And you will see that in a few minutes, Claude is going to give me everything. It is going to give me an HTML file like this, so I can first review the content itself and see if it's worth it. Then it will generate me the PNG files, and after that, everything that I need to do is just to upload it. And the results that you can see right here, for the last month, I've been doing this completely automated with AI. You can expect similar results when you run this prompt and while Claude is creating this piece of content. For me, I also want to mention that in my program where I help Muslim coaches with getting high-ticket clients by using halal AI systems, I have way more systems and prompts like this that are going to replace the hours that you work, and you can actually focus more on Ibadah while still getting high-ticket clients. We have different prompts for carousel, for Facebook, we have chat assistants, we have sales coach researchers. Everything is inside the program itself. But I'm going to pause the video for a few minutes so Claude can create the content and I'll show you the final result. And yeah, the content itself is ready in just less than a minute. And we can first view the carousel itself before we decide if we actually want to post this piece of content. So let's see what Claude created for me. You can just read this yourself. Fully designed post with a strong hook, description, and the most important thing, we also have call to action, because this content is not only designed to help you grow followers, but also it is designed to help you get pre-sold clients. So go in the description, access this prompt, run this into Claude, and let the content creation begin while you do your Ibadah. And in case you want further help with that, you can always apply to work with me and get my personal help with scaling your business.